So now to the another task that I want to show you is adding roles in Active Directory domain services. So using VMware again, you will set up a Active Directory domain services. So open your VMware and in your Windows server, click Manage and then Add roles and features, and then you can skip this and but this will if you are new to ADDS, you can read this and be careful with the task that we need to accomplish. So next solution type, you can choose the default one, a role based or feature based installation. So select the server pool. Next, then let's find the server roles that we want to add. So add a feature. Next, next, and then the ADDS, the Active Directory Service. Uh, Just to note, especially um, to understand the Active Directory services. So ADDS stores information about users, computers, and other devices on the network. So this will help you as a server admin navigate and um, manage other devices and other client users in connection to the network. So things to note to help ensure that users can still log onto the network in the case of server outage. So install a minimum of 2 domain controllers per domain. So later we will uh, create a domain controller. ADDS requires DNS server. So that's why you should before creating a, a ADDS, uh, make sure you have a DNS server. So, so the installation will take time. The feature installed. So let's click those. Then go to this flag icon. Um, this will notify you that we will promote this server to a domain controller. So, so add a domain controller. So select the department operation. Add a domain controller to existing domain. Since we don't have a domain yet, like um, no, there's not existing domain. So let add a domain controller. Add your domain. the existing forest since we don't have existing forest yet. So we will choose this admin forest. So root domain name. So for my task, I will um, name the domain for the root domain. ccs.ac.edu. Uh, ccs.ac. Ccs. Yes. The server. So for the password, for this first functional level, we will choose the updated one. So in the password, uh, I have this uh, given password for my task. For directory service restore mode, I can paste it, so we will manually uh, R B C 0 uh, $, and recover USA. Specify the location. After that, I'll check the for 18 is then for the net bios domain name, the CCS, the paths. If you want to navigate or directly to the specific location, for me, it's going to want to copy the setting or the configuration or save the configuration for future purposes. Copy it to the other server so you can do the script. You could generate a notepad for the domain name, the domain virus. And you can proceed check. Uh, as you can see, there's some errors, but all prerequisite checks passed successfully. So uh, if you if you don't if you done you do a prerequisite check, make sure that all the prerequisites are passed. If not, let's search it to Google the default. There are some uh, prerequisite checks that are uh, easy to fix. So, We're about to sign out, so let's try our uh, password. The password and the new admin, new ADDS is set up.